John, Roxana, welcome to the Network Hub.
Hello there.
Can you tell me a little bit about your pop-up experience here at the Network Hub? What was your best-selling item and why?
Well, we sold a little bit of everything. We sold some clothing items. I would say, though, that our best-selling item was definitely the canvas prints. People were really interested. They were very curious. They asked us a lot of questions. So, yeah.
And what was your greatest return on investment from the overall experience?
Yeah, I mean, return on investment really, to me, comes through the networking that actually happened through the individuals that came into our store. There was other cannabis business owners, dispensary owners, and people that I think that we're really hoping to collaborate with moving forward, especially come legalization. And
what value-added benefits do you experience during the pop-up shop that you were not expecting?
That would be connecting to the Network Hub. Actually, the group has been incredible. Whether it's the quarterly coffee meetings and connecting to other entrepreneurs in the city, I think that connecting truly to this space and to the individuals running the Network Hub has been one of the largest continuing value adds that I'm going to be seeing moving forward.
Awesome.
I would like to say the professionalism of the Network Hub and their enthusiasm really, shines through. Like we're very happy to. Be part of
So what's the ideal profile of the company that would get best value from a pop-up co-working experience?
Yeah, I'd have to say absolutely. I recommend other creative artists or entrepreneurs taking the opportunity to have a pop-up shop like we did here at the Network Hub. What really would thrive here is enthusiasm. I think that what every company needs is getting the word out, advertising, making sure you're hitting the streets and getting some flyers out there, because you really got to create a buzz. The biggest learning experience I had was because this is a pop-up shop, it's temporary. So the biggest key to success is promotion and getting out there and making sure people know that you're here. But yeah, I absolutely recommend it.
Well, and as the curator, we had a lot of fun having you here and watching and seeing you take advantage of the meeting rooms with talks. And I look forward to a couple of really unique Christmas presents for relatives. So thanks so much.